Because we are trying to stop it now. Nobody is above government. You people are police officers. You are supposed to protect the law. You don't have to take sides. You are like shields. You shield this way and you shield this way. You see that the government has sealed this place, and you are aware. They were in the commission of police office yesterday with just me and them, and they said no work until everything is sorted out. Now you're protecting them to work, and they're still working in there. Yes, the governor of Rivers State is a peaceful, is a peaceful man. He doesn't want to war in his state. Nothing stops us to resort to self-help. If people cannot protect the law, this is the same law that governs you and governs us. You are the enforcers of the law, but you are allowing the law go the negative way. I will live here. That's just what I will say. I will go back to the commissioner of police and let him know what I've seen, because we will not come here to fight. But I've seen it, and I'm happy that you're seeing it. That a place that the government has filled, they are working. Just like they said they won't work, but they are working. It's all good.